cut hay as we were last year and the year before, and definitely 1 load of shavings. And unfortunately, it's running between the high end of $5,000 and $6,000. And our first cut was fair, but a couple of batches got rained on because we did get so much rain. And what we do need desperately is the second cut. The reason we need the second cut hay desperately is because most of our animals are elderly. When we brought them in, they were young and able to eat just about anything. But now they need soft hay, and second cut is softer hay. It's higher in nutrition, it's sweet, and that's why we have to go with that type of hay. In preparation for the winter, we need so many repairs. We need the pole building, which is the large barn down back. Its door blew off, and that will need a lot of work to get that hung back up. And then we need goat barn repairs. Some boards have rotted and some have been torn out, so we need to repair that, and windows, and quite a few repairs. I just want to thank all the people that, not just now, not just tomorrow, but over the years, who have donated $1, $5, a few hundred, thousands of dollars in some cases. That it's all appreciated so much. It goes towards the animals that we love. It helps to educate people. These sweet animals that you've helped to support have taught children and adults about what they go through their little lives, both in captivity and at the sanctuary.